Here we have a project that is a project designed to be extended, and there are a series of tasks here. So first up, we have a task of create a DynamoDB table with a given name and a primary key. And you can see this later when I scroll to that section, how to do this. Then load the sample data into a table using a JSON file. So in this particular set here, we have records and we also have values. In the case of the input, we're going to go ahead and go for the records. And you can see the structure of those records. Then write a query to retrieve items based on multiple filter conditions. So what's nice about using the values here is it lets you easily go into a set of filtered queries. Then finally, go ahead and delete all the items in the table and delete the table. So let's go through here and see next what the challenge is. So the challenge is that once you're done with that task, add a global secondary index to the table, load a data set from a CSV file instead of JSON, also try a different query scenario and scan operations. So the reflection here would be, what are the benefits of NoSQL databases like DynamoDB? How can you model data efficiently for fast queries? And also, what factors determine provision capacity needs? And then finally, what was your experience with DynamoDB CLI versus the console? So in here, we again have create table, and this is something you can customize. We have write batch to Dynamo, which feeds in a JSON file. We also have the records here that are listed. We have query with values, which again allows us to have a filter expression. And we also have the ability to delete the items and the table as well. And in fact, we can actually do that right now. If we run this command, this will actually clean up our work. So in a nutshell, walk through this project, extend it, follow the challenge items and the reflection items, and then build a great portfolio project that shows that you know DynamoDB.